This is the elevator here at Mirador Restaurantes in Monterrey, Mexico. It's an Otis Gen2. And except that the carbine got replaced with this. So yeah. It's an Otis Gen2, installed in 2007. So we're gonna go up to 2. The breakfast area is at the second floor where we're going to. Here at 2. Takes a while to level. Down the parking level. Here at the parking level. Alright, up to 1 and we'll land there. Let's do a cab view. Such a nice Otis Gen2 elevator. Hey, and here are the fixtures and the indicator, and here at 1. Sure, there's lane plate right there. So there you have it now. There it goes, and